What's up, Pit Masters? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unleashing an upgrade worthy of its name, the Pimp My Grill Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf for the RecTeq Backyard Beast 1000. Whether you're hosting a backyard cookout or feeding the whole block, this shelf is about to make your beast even better. Now let's dive in. The Backyard Beast 1000 is all about capacity, and the shelf is no different. It gives you the extra space you need to prep, stage, and serve like a pro. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, this tactical front shelf is as durable as the grill itself and built to handle all the action. Here's where it gets even better. This shelf accommodates all of our tactical accessories. That means you can fully customize your setup with a tool holder to keep your grilling gear within arm's reach, a beer cup holder and storage tray, because hydration is key, right? And the paper towel butcher paper holder with an easy tear feature. Perfect for quick cleanups or wrapping your smoked masterpieces. Just like all of our tactical front shelves, this one is designed for a hassle-free setup. No cutting, no drilling, no headache. Just bolt it on and you're ready to go. In minutes, your Beast 1000 will have a sleek, functional front shelf that makes every cook easier. When it's not in use, the folding design lets you tuck it away to save space. But trust me, once you see how much easier it makes your cooks, you'll want it out all the time. The Pimp My Grill Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf sits a whopping 4 inches higher than the stock front shelf. This takes a load off your back and makes prepping, serving, and managing your food that much easier. So if you own a RecTeq Backyard Beast 1000, then the Pimp My Grill Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It's tough, customizable, and built to handle anything your grill can dish out. Now, to order your Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf today, go ahead and hit the link in the description. And be sure to add all of your tactical accessories to go with it. Let me tell you, you're gonna want them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which accessory you're most excited to use. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy grilling. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, we've got a challenge for you. There is a Pimp My Grill prototype product on this grill that is currently not available to the public. Send us an email, and if you're the first one to recognize it, we'll send you a free one. We'll let you know in the description below once someone has identified it.